You wake up at 5 a.m., you crush the gym, you take your supplements. You look in the mirror and see a man in his prime. But at 9 a.m., you walk into the office and that power vanishes. A 24-year-old questions your authority. A passive-aggressive email from your boss ruins your mood. You feel obsolete. Here is the brutal truth. Muscle cannot stop a bullet. And in 2026, the bullets are psychological. For years, we were told that health is wealth, that if we look strong, we will be respected. But looking strong is dangerous. In the animal kingdom, the alpha who roars the loudest is the first target. If you walk into work showing off your strength, your ego, and your opinions, you are painting a target on your back. You are playing a physical game in a mental war zone. You are a healthy victim. So, what is the solution? It is not more testosterone. It is strategy. Sun Tzu wrote, "All warfare is based on deception. Hence, when able to attack, we must seem unable." This is the art of the empty fort. True power at 40 is not about intimidation. It is about formlessness. When you are formless, your enemies cannot pin you down. They cannot trigger you. They cannot manipulate you. How do you apply this tomorrow morning? When that toxic colleague tries to provoke you, do not react. Do not defend yourself. Do not roar back. Become a gray rock. Give them nothing. No emotion. No data. Just silence and a nod. By concealing your intentions, you starve them of the reaction they need. You win without fighting. This is what it means to be prime. It's not just about the body, it's about being strategically untouchable. If you want fitness tips, go elsewhere. But if you want to master the game of power, welcome to the Brotherhood. We are building the mind of a general in the body of a warrior. Subscribe and let's conquer.